Unit 18. Cooking. Section A. Know your vocabulary. Cooking is practical and fun, whether we are watching a chef on TV or trying it ourselves. However, before cooking, we must prepare our food. We wash the soil from the vegetables with water in the kitchen sink and drain out the water using a colander, a bowl with many holes. Meat or vegetables can be cut into squares or diced. Cucumbers are sliced into thin pieces, and lettuce is chopped or shredded into long, narrow pieces on a chopping board. To give the food more taste, we can add seasoning, salt, sugar, spices like pepper or curry powder, and herbs like parsley or basil. To enhance the flavor of our food, we marinate it using lemon juice, vinegar, tea, wine, soy sauce, oyster sauce, honey, etc., along with oil, and let the food soak in the liquid for a while. Recipes have instructions for preparing food. After preparing our food, we can start cooking. There are different ways of cooking. Frying is cooking food in hot oil. Stir-frying is putting some oil into a pan or a wok, a Chinese pan, and stirring the food until it is cooked. Deep frying is similar to stir-frying, but the food is covered in oil and fried until it has turned golden brown and crispy. Baking is to heat food at high temperatures, which is ideal for making cakes. Grilling is similar to baking, but sometimes a grill works like a barbecue fire. Boiling is cooking the food in a saucepan of water. For poaching, no oil is needed, only boiling water. To poach an egg, we break it into boiling water. Steaming is common in Asian cooking. The food is put on a flat dish or in a bamboo basket above the water level in a saucepan covered with a lid. The steam produced from the boiling water cooks the food. To simmer means to cook slowly, sometimes hours, on a low flame. Salads are prepared with raw or uncooked vegetables. Desserts, like jelly, are served cold and they need to be chilled in a fridge. Chef.
Kitchen sink.
Drain.
Colander.
Diced.
Sliced.
Chopped.
Shredded.
Chopping board.
Flavor.
Marinate.
Recipes.
Frying.
Stir-frying.
Pan.
Wok.
Deep frying.
Baking.
Grilling.
Boiling.
Saucepan.
Poaching.
Steaming.
Bamboo basket.
Lid.
Simmer.
Low flame.
Salads.
Raw.
Desserts.
Chilled.